Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to start with the next chapter, chapter number 5, that is admission of a partner. Now, the chapter itself reveals that we have to admit a partner into the firm, right? So, we are going to see in this chapter that how a partner is admitted, how he gets his share of profit among the total profit received by the partners or the existing partners of the firm, and how he is entitled to receive all the benefits with the existing partners of the firm, right? So first of all, we need to see the admission of a partner, the meaning of admission of a partner, right? Now, the admission of a partner, admission means reconstitution of a partnership firm. That is, basically it is a reconstitution, means to again to reconstitute it. Now, if we take an example that if 3 partners are there in the existing firm, and if you want to involve the 4th partner into the firm, definitely their share of profit, whatever they are sharing it at presently, will be distributed for that 4th partner also. Yes, will be distributed for that 4th partner, so that what happens, it is again reconstituted, right? It is again going to be reconstituted. That means again all the assets and liabilities are to be revaluated to the original firm, right? So the admission means reconstitution of a partnership firm, where everything again is going to reconstitute it. Again, we are going to revaluate the assets and liabilities of the firm in order to take that partner into the firm and then to give him the benefits of his share of profit. Now, according to in section 31 of the Indian Partnership Act 1932, provides that a new partner shall not be admitted in the firm without the consent of the existing partners. Yes, my dear students, it is according to the Act, Indian Partnership Act 1932, that if you want to admit a new partner into the firm, you are supposed to ask the existing partner, or the consent form is given to the partners who are existing in the partnership firm, that a new partner is going to be admitted into the firm. Then they have to fill the consent form, and then partnership comes to, now the new admission of a partner comes to an existence, right? So what happens? That as per Indian Partnership Act, those who are already in the partnership firm, the partners who are in the existing firm, you have to ask them, or they have to give us the consent that we want to admit a new partner into the firm. Yes, because the consent, why the consent is necessary? The consent is necessary because the partners who are sharing the profits, they have already share the profits, whatever the ratios they have decided upon in the partnership deed. Now, if this everything is going to be changed, so in order to change this thing, you have to ask the consent or the existing partners of the firm in order to admit a new partner into the business, right? Now, we'll just have a look about it, that what are the reasons of admission of a partner. What are the different reasons? How can a partner can be admitted, but on what reasons the partner can be admitted? Now, the first thing that is needs additional capital. Yes, if in a business, if the business or the firm needs an additional capital into the firm or the business, the partner is entitled, they are supposed to take a new partner, or they are supposed to admit a new partner in the partnership firm, because that partner also will be liable to bring some capital into the business. So that is also the first point, that it needs additional capital into the business. So the new partner will come and also bring a new capital into the business. So the business capital is going to be increased, whether in the form of cash or assets or liabilities. That can be any of the form. So the first criteria for that is needs additional capital. The second one is requires additional managerial abilities. Managerial abilities means the in the administrative department, if the workload of the employees are too much more, then if you want to admit a partner in the firm, only due to this the managerial abilities, if the partner is having a new partner, those you want to recruit a new partner is having all the skills and abilities, then you can admit him into the partnership firm. Why? Because that person is an experienced person, and so he can be helpful to us in the partnership firm, in the concerned firm or the company which you are working for it. The third one, that is the reason is the partner retire or dies. Now the admission can be done whether the partner is retiring or if death has been occurred. Now on what grounds? Retire, we all know the date of retirement is there, so as per that retirement, the next partner you can elect it or you can admit a new partner in the partnership firm. That is by way of the chronological order what the partnership firm or deed, whatever they have been decided into it, that whether a partner is retiring or if he has suffered a death, then you can admit a new partner into the partnership firm. So this was the third criteria, that if due to retirement or the partner dies, that is also the main reason for it, for admission of a partner. The fourth reason, that is skilled and efficient employees for the firm. Yes, for an effective profit of the business or a huge profit of the business, you need skilled and efficient employees of the firm. A skilled, knowledgeable and efficient employees are the valuable assets of the firm. So the partners, those who are the existing partners, they see that the employees who is going to admit in the firm, basically he is having all the manager ability skills, all the skills, he is very efficient, he is very smart in doing all the work, and he is having all the things technologically, he is very much aware about it. So they admit a partner on this ground also. So what happens? So basically the skills and efficiency and his abilities creates a most important part over here, and is one of the reason for admission of a partner. So the skill and efficient also are an important part in admission of a partner. Then the fifth one and the last, that is distribution of risk of partnership. Maybe it might be some of the reasons that this can be one of the reasons for it, the distribution of risk. Now many partners are there. We cannot say that if you are entering into a partnership firm, only the profit, only you, if there is a profit, then you are going to take part in the company, and if there is a loss, you cannot take part, or you are not supposed to be you are not supposed to bear the loss of the company, right? So that happens. So this is one of the reasons for the distribution of the risk of partnership. So whenever the risk, if you are entering into a partnership firm, the profit or the loss has to be distributed. If the profit is there, that has to be distributed among the partners, and if even the loss occurs, that also you have to distribute among the partners. So if the existing partner feels that only 3 partners are there and we need a 4th partner in order to decrease the loss, in order that they might not get a great loss for the business, because the loss is being distributed, also the loss is being distributed among the partners, and if the loss is distributing too much, then they can admit a partner. So this can also be one of the reasons and of the distribution of the risk of partnership firm, right? So we all got an overview about the admission of a partner, that how a partner is going to be admitted into the firm and how he takes and how he is admitted, and due to some what reasons are there. It might not be all the reasons together. Sometimes a partner retires on additional managerial abilities, sometimes they need an additional capital, skill and efficient employees, and the distribution of the risk of partnership. This can be the reasons, but what are actual, according to the Indian Partnership Act 1931 says that you have to consent, you have to take the prior thing will be the consent of the existing partners. That means you have to if you are admitting a new partner, the consent of the existing partners is necessary, that they want to admit a new partner in the firm. So this is one of the important thing over here in the admission, that the consent of the existing partner is the most important part we can carry in this definition, because without the consent of the existing partners you cannot admit a partner into the partnership firm. Just have a look over here in the definition, and then we'll start with the next topic of the change in profit and loss ratio. How the partner is entitled for the profit and loss, what the partner is bringing and what he brings to the firm, whether he is bringing whether new partner or admitted partner is bringing to the firm the cash in the way of cash or in the way of assets or liabilities. So we'll just have a look at it in the next topic over here. You can just have a look the admission, the definition. You can write it over here. Mostly the definition of the partnership, we can tell it. Just have a look over here, my dear students.